For today's DIY craft, we'll be making glass stone magnets. To create your own magnets, you'll need scissors and a pencil, Mod Podge and a paintbrush, glass stones, and magnets. Let's get started. Gather your paper. You can use scrapbook paper, comic book pages, or something you've drawn. Trace a glass stone onto the section of paper you'd like to turn into a magnet. Carefully cut out the circle. Repeat until you have all your magnet images cut. Paint the Mod Podge onto the image to attach the magnet and stone. Give your magnets time to dry. Enjoy your new personalized glass stone magnets.